Can OdoBan shower tub and tile cleaner remove the soap scum? Let's find out. I really like OdoBan products, so I'm interested in seeing how well their shower cleaner works to remove soap scum. When I'm reviewing shower products, I base it on how easy is it to remove the soap scum in the shower. Is it something that we can just spray and then wipe, rub, scrub with a scrubby brush, or do I have to call in my husband or one of my boys to help me clean the shower? Now, fair warning, I let my shower get really, really dirty and grimy and soap scummy before I do any shower product testing, because I actually want to see if it can work. I really get annoyed when I watch a product review and someone sprays it on a completely clean and beautiful, pristine shower and says, "Oh, it works." But does it really? So I'm well aware that my shower is dirty. You don't have to put in the comments that it's disgusting and filthy, because I know it is. Making sure my shower is really dirty and grimy really does give us a good true test to these products. So let's read how we're supposed to use the OdoBan cleaner in the shower. It's a powerful foaming spray, cuts through tough bathroom stains and gunk. That's a great word, gunk. Remove soap scum, dirt, calcium, lime, hard water deposits. The directions for use are to spray directly onto surface or onto a damp sponge, soft brush, or cloth. For tough stains, allow 30 minutes contact time. Rub gently until clean and rinse with water. Repeat if necessary. So let's see how well the OdoBan shower tub and tile cleaner removes soap scum from my shower. Before I get started, I have to show you guys something. If you watch my channel, you know how much I hate cleaning showers because I have this portable shower spray, but my husband installed a removable shower head. Let me show it to you. I'm so happy with this. So look, this makes me so happy. I'm gonna be able to clean this so much easier than before. So overall, the OdoBan shower tub and tile cleaner did an okay job of removing the soap scum in my shower. So the first thing I did was I just sprayed and tried wiping and rubbing gently to remove the soap scum. I did have to reapply it on the floor of the shower because rubbing lightly was not doing anything to get rid of the soap scum. I did have to bring out my scrubby brush. But this product with the scrubby brush did do a really good job at removing the soap scum from the shower floor. For the glass shower door, for the most part, I was able to spray and just wipe away the soap scum. Towards the bottom of the door, the soap scum was much thicker there. I did have to reapply and rub harder to remove the soap scum, but it was able to be removed. For the water stains on the shower faucet, it didn't touch them at all. So I did reapply and let it sit for 30 minutes to see if that helped, and it did not. So for the hard water stains on the chrome, it wasn't able to remove it. Some of it did shine up, but you can definitely still see a lot of the hard water stains. Actually, let's take a look at some before and afters. As for the scent of the product, I didn't like it at all. Normally, I really enjoy OdoBan scented products. It's one of the only products out there that I think actually has nice scented products, but this one is awful. It is very caustic smelling. It's just a bad, strong, chemically type scented product. Don't expect that nice scent that you get from other OdoBan products when you're using this. So I will most certainly finish the bottle, but I don't think this is a product that I will purchase again. I still think the Bucko does the best job at removing the soap scum in my shower. But if you're someone who has very light soap scum, or you're using this much more frequently, right, to clean your shower, you're not making it gunky and soap scum filled like I do in order to test, this might be an okay product for you. The foam is nice and thick, and where you spray the foam, it does wipe well, again, rubbing in some places. So if you have very light soap scum, I think this will work really well. But if you have a lot of soap scum and a dirtier shower floor like I had, and a lot of soap scum on the glass shower door, just expect to rub or scrub much harder with this than just a quick wipe. It does work, but it definitely uses more elbow grease. And the 30-minute sit time from the spots that I tested didn't seem to make much of a difference. So if there is a product that you would like me to test, do me a favor and put it in the comments section and I will add it to my viewer suggestion list. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, have yourselves a great day.